Welcome to my slime kitchen. Please like and subscribe because this is my first ever slime video. Please hit the notification bell so you can see all my videos. Okay, so these are ingredients you'll need to make fluffy slime. Lotion, school glue, shaving cream, and contact lens solution. Some of the extra ingredients: paint or food coloring, glitter glue, glitter, and toothpaste, and a bowl and a spoon. So let's get started. Step 1, you add all your glue. Make sure you get every last drip in there. And after you have all your glue out, you're going to put a little bit of water in your glue bottle. And now you're going to shake it up and get a little bit of water. And now you're going to mix the water and the glue together. And make sure you mix it thoroughly. Now it's supposed to be more liquidy than the glue was before. Now you add some shaving cream, and you add a little bit, a medium, or a lot. I like adding that much. See? And now you mix it up very good. I'm going to add a little more shaving cream and put it to the side. And now I'm going to mix it again. And after this, I'm going to put my yellow food coloring. And I might add a little bit of red. And mix it all the way. This is a popcorn color, and I like it. Now we're going to add some lotion. You don't have to add lotion, but you can add a little bit, like a couple drops. And now I'm going to mix it all the way. For one of my special ingredients, I'm going to add some gold glitter. And now my slime is going to have some glitter in it. It doesn't match, but I'm going to add a little bit of glitter too. Now I'm going to add a little bit of toothpaste. Don't add a lot of toothpaste because then your slime will not activate. And now it will have a scent like mint. Now we're going to add contact lens solution. So the slime will start forming. Do a little bit at a time. Don't do a lot because then your slime will probably get overactivated. And when you know the slime is starting to turn into slime, it will start pulling away from the edges. And usually, if you don't add shaving cream, you need baking soda when you activate. But shaving cream has baking soda, so you just need contact lens solution. And now it will start thickening up, and it will start getting thicker like that. And the slime takes some time, so don't rush it. Now the slime is pulling away from the side, so I'm going to add a teensy bit more shaving cream for it to be extra fluffy slime. I think it's ready to go out of the bowl, so I'm just going to take it out and put the bowl over here and just play with it and knead it until you like the texture. Now the slime is done, I'm going to do a little bit of ASMR. So. Now we're going to try to make a bubble. I made a bubble! So, please subscribe and like I already said, because this is my first ever YouTube video. So,